Here's how to use Kimi K3, Moonshot AI's new model with a 2 million token context window in under a minute. First, sign up at platform.moonshot.ai and create an API key in the console. The free tier includes 1 million tokens every month. Kimi K3 speaks the OpenAI API format, so just install the OpenAI Python SDK with pip install OpenAI. Create a client with your API key and point-based URL to api.moonshot.ai/v1. Call chat.completions.create with model set to Kimi, K3, and your messages. That's your first working request. With 2 million tokens of context, you can paste an entire code base or a whole book straight into the prompt and ask questions about it. For agentic workflows, pass in a tools list describing your functions, and Kimi K3 will call them natively with structured arguments. Set stream to true and loop over the response chunks to stream tokens live, exactly like any OpenAI compatible endpoint. Pricing starts at 15 cents per million input tokens and 45 cents per million output tokens, so prototyping costs almost nothing. Grab your key, run the code, and start building with Kimi K3 today. Like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.